So I'm hoping on my next trip I'll have my smoker set up. But for now I'm just going to dry this overnight. I had this meat soaking in cranberry sauce, barbecue sauce, pickle juice, and some spices. This is that dried meat I made. Something I wanted to make out here for quite some time. I do this at home on my wood stove because it takes about 8 hours to make. And because I have the wood stove going all night anyways, I just put this on before bed. I got up at 3, flipped it, and when I woke up this morning, it was completely dried. I didn't have a chance to marinate this for a long period of time, so the flavor's pretty mild. But this would last, many months just like this.